Amway has changed my life forever. I must thank Amway for the wonderful journey till now. I still remember how it all began. I was not the same Anamika who's standing and expressing herself in front of thousands of people. I was an ordinary housewife, busy with my family, friends and relatives. I was earlier a working woman, but decided to quit my job after I became a mother of a little sweet angel. When my little one started going to school, I wanted to do something of my own which could give me an earning opportunity on a part-time basis. With today's cost, our household budget was quite tight and we felt the need for funds. However, I didn't want to compromise on my family life. I explored going back to a job but decided that the high pressure and long working hours were not going to work for me. And then I was introduced to Amway by my friend Radhika. Radhika had recommended a couple of Amway beauty products to me and I really liked them. One day she came over to my home over a cup of coffee. She walked me through the Amway business opportunity. I was impressed with the part-time earnings she was making and decided to give Amway a try. I started to participate in the group meetings. My uplines taught me a lot and often shared their best practices as well. They also advised me to attend basic training programs provided by Amway at the initial stage. I also started to learn through Amway e-learning portal at home during my spare time. My daughter and I had this joke: when she was doing her homework, I would tell her I'm doing my homework too. Since I had used quite a few Amway products by now, it was quite easy for me to recommend these world-class products to my friends and relatives. All my friends with today's hectic lifestyle want to stay healthy and they want to look good. And so the Amway health and beauty products were the perfect fit. Slowly I also learned the Amway sales plan, went through a lot of e-learning programs and the business support materials available, and began discussing the Amway opportunity to my friends who were also looking for a part-time income opportunity. Soon I had built up a small team in my Amway business. I was amazed at how my communication had become so effective. My public speaking skills had improved. I had started taking training sessions for my downlines. Now you can see how my whole personality has undergone a change. Since I was looked at as a leader, I started attending the leadership forums and started demonstrating leadership skills in front of my downlines. My business skills were also improved by my regular coaching through my uplines, who helped me at every stage of the business to effectively manage my team and generate a regular income in Amway. I have reached to a first level of leadership and got the opportunity for a free overseas trip to Bangkok. It has been a transformation for me. Amway has touched and changed my life forever, giving me back not just a business but the way I look, my confidence, independence, lots of new friends, my own Amway circle for sharing and caring, and most importantly, I have not had to sacrifice my family life to achieve all this. Thank you, Amway.